Relax.
Oh, that was it.
Yep.
Oh, yes, Lord. And your name is not Lord, but yes.
Shoulder down for me. Look.
Oh, wow. Now I see. Oh, yes. Look. See, you are. Listen. OMG. Sir. Yes, sir. It's like euphoria. Serotonin, dopamine, all releasing. Let's just.
Oh!
He already knew what to do.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. That was perfect. Oh, yeah, that was good. Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I have Dr. Hall with me. Dr. Hall, it was a pleasure, conversing with you and
Likewise.
chatting, right?
Yeah,
And you have an Instagram page as well, right?
I do.
Okay, what is it?
So I have Golden Alignment, which is my chiropractic page. And then I have my personal page, which is the Tipster.
The Tipster.
Yes.
Okay, Golden Alignment and then the Tipster.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. So we're going to adjust each other today, right?
Yes, we are.
And then you're going to do the Ystrap on me because I need it.
Pretty excited.
All right, so I'm just going to check your ranges of motion first, and then after that, we'll start, okay?
Okay.
All right. So let's start with the cervicals. You actually have pretty good motion. Any restrictions, tightness?
Probably around T1 on the left.
T1, okay. So like right up here?
Yep.
Okay,
Yep, right there.
right there. Let me have you rotate for me, let's check your rotation. Okay, let's go to the other side. Okay. Well, your lumbars are pretty tight.
Always.
Let's have you stand and let's try to both feet. See how far you go. Got pretty good motion for the most part. Come up, both arms up for me.
Up and in.
And extend, yep, just extend. How's that?
Tight.
Tight, okay. All right. Let's start with the thoracics.
Okay.
Lower mid thoracic, so we'll do like a seated thoracic. Let's have you sit face this way. Okay. And let's have you slide forward for me just a little bit. Perfect, good. Let's take both arms, bring them up. You're going to put them, go underneath your hair, interlock your fingers. Good. So this space here, I have to be able to reach in, okay?
Okay.
All right. Don't want to mess your hair up. I'm trying not to mess your hair up.
I don't care. Just hair.
Okay, so what I need you to do is just drop your whole body on me. There you go, perfect. I want you to take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. It's still tight, Doc. There you go. Again. Out. Relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am.
That was great. Oh, that was awesome. When you're the chiropractor, you're not used to getting adjusted. That was great.
How did that feel?
Oh, amazing.
That's not too bad?
No, not at all.
Not at all. Okay. Patient for me here. Let's go to the other side. Okay. So, let's have you face this wall. Good. This way here. Good. Perfect. Bring your lower body a little bit closer. There you go. I'm gonna reach in like this. Good. Bring your leg up a little bit to create more traction. Just relax for me, Doc.
Oh, that was it.
Yep.
I just started with that. Oh, yes, Lord. And your name is not Lord, but yes. That was great. I needed that.
Not too bad.
Oh, that was amazing. I needed that.
You sound like the patients.
Oh, I'm just like here, you know? I'm just existing. Oh, it's so good to me.
Let's go to the side. There you go. Good. Bring this on here. Perfect. Just relax on the dog. Good. Relax. And still tight. Drop that shoulder down for me. Look.
Oh, yes! Let's see, you are... Listen. OMG. I've been needing it, like, forever. Oh, gosh. No, seriously, like, when you're used to working on people all day, every day.
Right.
And then someone works on you.
Mm-hmm.
You're the bomb. Y'all, if y'all in DMD, that's it. Or wherever you are, just drive, just come fly. Just get on a plane. I got on a plane and came from Dallas. Y'all should get on a plane and come.
Not too bad.
No.
Let's have you sit face this way. Good. All right, so do the last adjustment for you for these cervicals, okay? And we'll do a lift.
Okay.
You ever got an occipital lift before?
I had not.
You have not? Okay. So, some new sensation for you.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so let's just take a look at your lateral flexion. Okay, so see if we can improve that a little bit. Let's have you go forward so you'll be at the edge of the table. Good. Okay. Slide back for me just a little bit. Perfect. So I'm going to reach in like this. And rotate. Good. Drop your head down for me. There you go. Good. I don't have to do any tricks.
Sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. I think they should give my name to you. You should be golden hands. Please. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm back.
Not too bad.
No. Not.
It feels good.
It feels amazing.
It feels amazing.
Yeah, good is an understatement. It feels amazing.
I've had it before. Like for the docs who who can do an occipital lift, it feels amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the other side. Same scenario. Come tight the occiput. Rotate you a little bit here. Sorry. Good. Drop your head down. Good. Relax for me.
It's like euphoria, serotonin, dopamine, all releasing. It's just a happy place. I'm in my happy place. You're wrong. Yeah. Thank you.
How do you feel?
Like I should lay down and go to sleep. Like I don't have to keep going and going anymore. I can rest now.
I'm gonna go ahead and pull, and then you'll feel some tension. Okay? You let me know if it's painful. How does that feel?
Like I'm being stretched.
Like you're being stretched. Is that painful?
Nope.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Let it out. How does that feel?
Like I'm being stretched.
Like you're being stretched. Okay, good. Take one big breath. Out.
Oh, wow. Now I see.
you feel the pop, right? So it basically decompresses.
Yeah.
That's cervical. Sometimes you feel all the way down to the thoracic.
Yeah, I was gonna say I feel it down here.
All the way down to the
Yeah.
lower. Yep. Yep. So that's the Ystrap.
That's some nice stuff right there that you got. That you got there, Doc.
Come up for me. There you go. Good. Perfect.
Thanks for all
All right, Doc, you got everything. You got the Ystrap adjusted, occipital lift, lumbar is adjusted, seated thoracic. How do you feel?
Like I can go run. But a mixture of I want to sleep because I feel like everything was so like compacted and now everything feels kind of elongated
Right.
for me.
Feels pretty good?
Yeah. And it's different because I know what it's supposed to be like, so you did your thing.
My turn now. Well,
It is your turn.
Yeah.
Jeez, that was good.
Time to get me feeling good.
Oh, Lord. Child. I should have went first. I can't hold the camera today. Sheesh.
Let me clean this.
Oh, wow. How's your arms feeling? You can cross them.
Oh, cross.
You got anything with it?
That's tight.
Yeah. Right there's definitely tight. All right. You can go face down for me.
Face down?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, man. Do your magic.
Let's see what I got in my archives, my toolbox. Left short leg. Guys, to make sure I know what's going on before I actually adjust, I count and take the hip so you see it goes even. But for shits and giggles, I'll throw it back out. It should go uneven, as you see it does. But then I'll fix it. He had a little bit in T12. I like to do a rotary movement.
Oh, yes.
Maybe that's it. And he already knew what to do.
Oh!
Yeah. He already knew what to do. So we like to get right up in this guy right here and just have him relax. He's pretty tight.
I felt it as soon as you put me in that position too.
So remember, this was his short leg, so we're gonna have him rotate to the side. So this side down, this side up.
This side up?
Yep.
Okay.
You love when they already go in position. They know what to do. So I'm a little opposite. I have them tuck their head toward their chest, and I do kick moves, and he's kind of rolling forward. So I'm gonna have him actually scoot back to see what it is. Yeah, there we go.
Yep, felt it, yep.
And then I have him rotate to the other side. And he'll go in position. I'll pull him just a little bit, get a good positive wide distraction. There we go. And then I recheck to make sure it's back in place. So I tell the patient to go on their stomach. And then it should be even. And as you can see, it is. So that's how I know that it went in place, because you won't always get a cavitation. So, and while he's there, I'm gonna have him scoot up into the table, and I'm actually gonna lift the bed up to save my back, to save my adjustment that I just got. And once again, I'll come and palpate.
Oh, you want to do, how you want to do? You want to do prone? Well, you did a prone already, right?
Yeah, but I was gonna get your upper cervicals, but...
Oh, you can get them this way?
Yeah.
Oh, you can? Oh, go ahead. Yeah,
but I want to do the right strap too, and I need to...
No, you could do, yeah. The right, yeah.
It won't intervene. So literally, I just drop him out. Index mirror contact. Get up in there good.
That's different.
Same thing, base of the index finger.
I felt it. Wow.
And then you get a good stretch in the erectors. Making sure to stretch everything out. Because sometimes the muscles will guard afterwards. Especially on our guys. Women typically hold everything up in their traps. And men, more so, in the big lumbars. Quadratus lumborum, erectors. So we're just getting them a good old stretch. Alright, Doc. You're good.
Man, that was good. That seated. I mean, I was prone and you did that cervical.
Yeah, base of the index.
That was pretty. I've never seen that before.
Parker
I got you working.
Yeah, you do.
Nah,
I don't wear makeup at work. Or do not, because of this reason. Okay.
That was really good. That was different. Cause I'm like, oh, you already did a prone cervical.
But it's lower.
That was lower,
yeah,
right? And then
71.
so basically, you had me prone,
and you go up,
and then the contact was like mid cervical, and then it's almost like a prone cervical, but at the mid section to get the upper cervical.
And you go base the index and Ystrap.
Okay, and that's something new. So I thought I knew everything. I don't.
You know a plethora of things, to say the least. You feel that tension?
Mm-hmm.
Let it out.
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Was that too hard?
Mm-hmm. That was perfect.
I just want to be like you when I grow up.
I needed that. That was good.
But I'm trying to be like you.
Oh man. Oh, yeah, that was good. I haven't been adjusted. I've been so busy, working.
Same.
Yeah, so I haven't really got like a decent adjustment. You know what I mean? That was really good.
Thanks for teaching me. And when I text you, I'll be like, hey, yeah.
Look, I'm almost at my toes. Like when I tell my patients, they were like, how about your toes? Look at that. That's good. I'm not that flexible. So for me to go over here, that's actually pretty good. Yeah. That's good. My neck feels really good. That white strap is good.